Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a crucial topic and one that's really close to my heart. Microsoft's strategy to enhance C Sharp. Microsoft needs to compete with Go for concurrent short-run processors like Azure Functions or Lambda and to challenge Python in the booming field of AI development. Let's break it down. Let's start with concurrency. C Sharp's been using async await and the task parallel library, which are powerful but can be complex for high concurrency scenarios. So what if we wanted to stay with C Sharp, what's next for C Sharp? How can we improve it? The current state of C Sharp concurrency is we've got async await and TPM. These are the backbones of C Sharp concurrency, but can be verbose. The advantages and the disadvantages of this is what we've got now. We've got familiarity with seamless integration with the .NET ecosystem. So if we continue to use async await and TPL, obviously we've got years and years worth of development and understanding. Disadvantages are complexity and performance limitations compared to goal routines. I don't know if anybody used Go and then used async await. The difference is marked, especially with things for concurrency. So proposed enhancements to C Sharp. What could we do in C Sharp to make it a bit better? So we could simplify concurrency premises. So we could draw inspiration from Go. We could introduce a lightweight constructs like Go routines to make concurrent programming more intuitive. And also what we could do is we could improve the runtime and compiler support. So we could optimize .NET's garbage collection, enhance runtime efficiency to boost performance so we could compete with Go's performance. Also developing tools for debugging and profiling concurrent code or simplify performance optimization. But I'm pretty sure they have done that in the recent version of .NET. They have now got a lot better for debugging with regards to async await. So yeah, that covers concurrency, that covers Go, which is the main challenger for C Sharp in terms of Azure Functions and Lambda. Okay, so now let's move on to AI. Python's rich ecosystem with TensorFlow and PyTorch is unmatched. But what about C Sharp? So the current state of AI in Python is we've got a rich ecosystem. Obviously, Python's AI library is extensive, well supported. There's a massive community. C Sharp's ML.NET is less mature and it doesn't even remotely match Python's depth. Okay, so what could we do with ML.NET? We could expand its capabilities to support advanced AI algorithms, make a more C# more appealing for AI development. Microsoft could get involved and start promoting ML.NET as a usable library for data scientists, data engineers, and basically get involved in the AI industry a bit more. They're really quiet on AI. They seem to like moved it over. They seem to be letting OpenAI take a lot of the AI, leadership on this. Microsoft have been really quiet compared to Meta and Google and Twitter, well, X now as it's now called. What else could we do? We could enhance interoperability, so we could develop tools to call Python libraries from C Sharp, allowing the use of Python's AI tools while coding in C Sharp. That has helped, but it doesn't really address the main issue really. We could also invest in developer tools, so we could create Jupyter-like environments and advanced visualization tools for C Sharp, enhancing the developer experience. Excuse me. So we've looked at what the big things at the minute are, which is concurrency, Azure Functions, Lambda, and its AI. And we've looked at what C Sharp can do now and what ML.NET can do now and how we could improve it. Also looked at what the benefits are of using Go and using AI, using Python. So let's consider the third option. Now this might be controversial for a lot of .NET developers, but what about a new language? Remember when we shifted from Visual C++ to C Sharp? Microsoft has the opportunity to innovate again. Java influence led to the creation of C Sharp, blending performance with modern features. A new language can be built with modern concurrency and AI paradigms, avoiding backward compatibility issues. Disadvantages in this, obviously, there's going to be a significant investment in education, tool and community building is required. So what we could do, we could create a new language. Okay, we could call it, I don't know, C whatever, C sharp, C new or whatever. It doesn't really matter what it's called, it needs to be good. Okay, we could ensure compatibility with existing .NET libraries and C sharp code, so we could gradually approach it, and we could foster an open source community to drive development, similar to how Python has risen. So what's the path forward for Microsoft? Okay, short term, enhance C sharp. We need to focus on improving concurrency models, expand ML.NET, and enhance Python interoperability. long term, we need to Microsoft needs to innovate with a new language. Definitely need to consider developing a new language or reimagining C Sharp to meet modern needs, ensuring it's future-proof and developer-friendly. Don't forget, developing environments is really important for Microsoft. That's how Azure took market share from AWS. Microsoft's strategic choices will shape the future of software development, whether through enhancing C Sharp or pioneering a new language. The goal is clear: to empower developers to lead the next generation of technology. Stay tuned as we follow these exciting developments going forward.